Hello, this is Anna Maggie, and today I have my April monthly reset video. Every month I reset my whole home, not only in cleaning the home, but also in switching out some of the decor in some just key areas. So I don't do the whole house. It's very minimal, but in just small ways, I like to switch it up. So on the coffee table, I always switch up my candle. On the mantle, I like to switch up my mantle. I have another coffee table in my formal living room that I just put another candle there. And then in the restroom, I do switch up the sink area just a little bit. And then here in the kitchen, I do switch my aprons and my dishcloths. And then I also switch out the door wreaths if I have one for that month. And this month I did have one. I also switch out my coffee mug of the month as well. Okay, we're just gonna take everything down. I bought these frames, these two right here from like a thrifty store. So I'm gonna take those down and the books as well. Okay, I'm gonna take down the thing here and then these two as well. Okay, now I am gonna leave the flowers, the peonies. They're not real, but I'm gonna take this vase down. So yeah. For my coffee table, I'm gonna remove this, and then I didn't finish this candle, so I'm gonna leave it until it's done and just get the other one ready. Dish towel, I'm gonna remove this one, and then I have this beautiful bunny purple one I'm gonna put here. Very cute. Over here, I'm gonna remove this one. And I have another bunny one, but I'm gonna just put a solid purple one for now. So there's that one. And actually, I just kind of draped the other one on top. It looks pretty for now. Okay, for the mugs, I'm gonna remove this one here. And I'm gonna add this one. It's my birthday month, and it's got a little unicorn, little rainbow over there. So I'm gonna put that there, and then this is my mug for April. And then the back ones just stay back here, and then all my teacups as well, so. Okay, so took out my candles. This one is my lavender, beautiful candle. I have not used it because I love it so much, and I didn't use this one. These are really just decorative. So we're gonna leave this one here for now. And then this is the one that goes at the other table. I have used this one. So yeah. All right, so this is all the stuff we need to put back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, here in the wall, I just like to put this piece of decor right here. In the restroom, I just put these little birds out. I don't really have that much decor, and it doesn't really stand out, but it's okay. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. For my mantle, what I put up is these two bunnies. I don't have very much Eastery things, so this is what we have for now. I'll just pull the tapers in a little bit closer. And we'll call it a day for now. Okay, for the doors, we're just gonna put that there. Let me close it so you could see the effect. There we go. Actually, I do remember that I found these little eggs. I want to put them in like a tray with like Easter grass under, but for now, this is what we'll do, and then I'll probably move this to the main table, but this is the mantle for now. It's totally fine. These are the candles that we have for April. It's my birthday month, so I like to have this one out. This is just a really pretty one from Target, and this was a gift that someone gave me. So as soon as we're done with this green candle, we will start lighting up these here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull down my Aprons. These are my fancier aprons. I showed you April, May, I've showed you already January, February, March. I'm so excited to show you April. It's probably one of the prettiest ones that I have. So this is the apron that I have for the month of April. It's so gorgeous. One of my favorite ones. Look at that. It has like this sheer overlay over it. It is stained. Hey, you can see it has like some staining there. But it has this floral print, kind of like scalloped under the sheer topper. It's so gorgeous. And yeah, it's just a little waist apron. These are really meant to kind of be worn all day, and I love it so much. So I don't often wear it. I won't lie, don't often wear it, but I do love that it's there. So for the apron that my mama made me, it is this one right here. It is lilac. Once again, she does a full size, full apron. So she does the top, and then this is just a ruffly skirt at the bottom. It has seen some wear. So here you can see lots of stains over here. She always throws in a pocket. And yeah, so this is, I wish you could see, this is the apron that I use for every day in April. And this is one that my mama made me. I hope you found that helpful. I hope that you can, be able to switch out a little bit in your home as well. Maybe you just do a quarterly, reset for spring, one for every season. Let me know how you, if you do reset your home and how you do that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you if you stay to the end. I'm going to put the playlist so that you could see the reset that we had done in March. That's kind of the first month that I shared it on YouTube, but we'll share as we go. I am going to do my planner monthly reset as well, so you should see that video after this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we will chat soon. Bye.